Hi folks, I'm Radek from Bouncer, where we see a true value of proper email segmentation that can help tailor email marketing. But good segmentation is difficult. In our recent study, we discovered that 46% of marketers don't segment their email list at all, and 24% see segmenting as one of their biggest challenges. There are various reasons for that, but one of them is simply lack of the information. That's why we decided to introduce Bouncer's Company Data Enrichment functionality. So, without any further ado, let me present what we have built for you. To get an access to Company Data Enrichment functionality, simply go to Verify Lists. Add a new list, like you normally do to verify your email addresses, and select Company Enrichment. Bouncer will charge you 10 credits for unique domain that it will be able to enrich. At the end of the process, if for some reason it couldn't match the information with our database, it will return the credits back to your account. Soon after, the list is being verified from the perspective of email deliverability of email addresses. It will process the data enrichment process. You can proceed to results, download your whole file, and you will see in the results file some additional columns added. You'll see information like company name, company country, founded year, industry, URL to company LinkedIn profile, and company size. Simple as that. I hope you'll find this new feature valuable to you. Cheers!